Happy Friday, guys. Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So it's another rough day for stocks to kick off this Friday. And the million-dollar question is, are we about to reverse? Are things about to get better for the stock market? So we're going to break down the charts in this video, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on if things are about to get better, and we're going to break down three companies, three stocks that just reported earnings. We'll break down the numbers, the charts, kind of what I'm looking to do with those stocks. But first, guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subs here, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. Guys, it's a no-brainer. Check out the link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks, and with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So it's currently about 10:50 a.m. on the East Coast. The day's still young here, guys. The markets have only been open for an hour, barely an hour and a half, and we have every index slightly in the red. Yet again, the S&P's down 0.5%. QQQ is down, let's see here, guys, roughly the same. Yeah, about 0.5%, as we have the Russell down 0.6%. The Russell is getting hit as well. It's been getting hit the most out of all the indexes here, and the Dow's down 0.3%. Not bad, but still in the red, and the least red of the bunch here. And if you guys just look at these charts, man, on QQQ especially, we are now breaking under this channel that we had drawn out. Do you guys see this downwards channel that we had drawn out? And now we're getting even more oversold than we were just a couple of days ago, right? We can see now we're down officially into correction territory, down just over 10% from the all-time high on QQQ, and SPY is down probably around 7-ish, 7-ish% right now from all-time highs. Yeah, about 7% down from all-time highs. And at this point, guys, I am noticing a little bit of a bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart here, just looking at the RSI and the overall chart. Not just here on SPY, but I'm also seeing it on QQQ, right? And in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before we start running, right, and seeing a recovery rally. And there's still a lot of uncertainty with tariffs, Trump, the trade war. And I got a comment on one of my videos yesterday that said the tariff situation, the trade war situation will be resolved in the next couple of months, and that's when stocks will bounce back. And the truth is, guys, right, stocks will bounce back before that, right? They're forward-looking vehicles. Once we get any sign of, the trade war kind of softening a little bit, easing, whatever you want to say, the stocks are just going to shoot up, right? It might even be before we actually, come to a solution with China, Mexico, Canada, the negotiations going on right now. So you got to realize we're probably going to get the snapback way before you think, right? If you think it's going to take 5 months or 3-4 months, it might, but I don't think it will, right? It's kind of like, during a recession or something like that, when the recession is getting rough, stocks are tanking, usually the stock market rebounds kind of before the recession's over, or the stock market gets ahead of it a little bit, because again, it's a forward-looking vehicle. So if you think, the trade war is going to be resolved and then that's when stocks are going to bounce back, probably not. Probably not. It's going to happen before that. It might happen in the next couple of weeks. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. That's my bold prediction. But we're not obviously getting the confirmation on the charts yet. But I'm thinking we're going to get the snapback, whether it's next week, the week after that. And that's why I've been buying this dip like a madman. I've been buying some call options on certain stocks, right? That's what I've been doing. So Yeah, take it for what you will, man. Not financial advice. We're not getting the snapback yet. The charts are not recovering yet, but that is my bold prediction here. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to get a rebound. And it might not even be a bold prediction, right? What do you guys think about that? A lot of people probably think the same thing right now. Sure, there could be some more pain in the very short term, guys. I'm not saying now's the bottom for sure. We don't know. We don't know. But all I'm saying is things get priced in way before they actually happen, right? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? That's kind of how stocks work, right? So let me break down now a couple of names, a couple of companies here that just reported earnings. Broadcom is number one. Their stock is up 3% right now, guys, but it was up way more. After the bell, I think it was up 12%, 13%, so it has given back a lot of the gains. Let's see here, guys. No, actually, holy smokes, we were down, or not down, up 20%. This thing was up 20%. And yeah, it's given back all those gains pretty much, but we're still up 3% on the day. Not bad considering all the indexes are in the red. So it looks like we got the pop at 180, 185. We covered that level, right? We got the pop there, right? We held that support, but it was met with a hard rejection at this trend line right under the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which it would have been ideal for the bulls for AVGO to break out of there. It didn't for now, but it's still up 3%, which I'm pretty hyped about that. So let me show you guys the numbers. We got these, like I said, yesterday. So Broadcom reported adjusted EPS of $1.60 versus $1.49, expected on sales of $14.91 versus $14.61 billion. So a double beat for Broadcom. And they see Q2 revenue. The guidance is good, which is actually good for NVIDIA as well, right? It looks like the AI demand here is still very strong from Broadcom. That's good news, not just for Broadcom, but for the entire sector, right? So Broadcom, they're expecting, where's it at here? Q2 revenue, $14.9 billion versus $14.76 billion expected. That's pretty good, right? And they see Q2 adjusted EBITDA of 66% of projected revenue. Did they not give their EPS estimate? Or EPS guidance, rather? I'm not seeing it here. Either way, guidance was good. AI demand is still there. And it looks like, again, they double beat. And it looks like a lot of these analysts are still bullish. Truist, adjust price target to 267, maintains buy rating. Mizuho, outperform rating. They have a price target of 260. Morgan Stanley, overweight. 260 price target. So, yeah, I mean, this, honestly, not financial advice, but this could literally be a beautiful buy the dip opportunity. And I'm even considering adding it here, guys. Although I do have a lot of plays in this, sector. So I don't know. It's like I go back and forth on it. I already own NVIDIA and AMD. I have Palantir, which I guess is not in the same. It's not in the same business per se, but it's still under the AI umbrella, if you will. But I'm thinking about it. Maybe even as a trade. We shall see here on AVGO. I like it. I really do. But I don't want to be too overexposed to that, to that industry. So Costco is number 2, COST. And by the way, guys, run the likes up. If you're finding value in this video, make sure to run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subs here on YouTube. So Costco is crashing, down 6%, down $65, and rightfully so. I mean, guys, this stock, in my eyes, at $1,000 plus, was way overvalued. Even here, honestly, it's still overvalued. I wouldn't buy it as a long-term here. But then again, I said that at like 400 when I thought it was overvalued then, and here we are at 900. But, Costco is one of those that always trades at a premium. It's a cream of the crop type business, right? You guys know that. And it's a falling knife. And to be honest, it looks really good on the charts here still. If we start to find support at about 950, 975, this could be where we start to maybe rally in due time, right? And honestly, this could be a decent swing trade once it confirms it. Once we start to consolidate a little bit, the earnings are still very fresh, obviously. So let me see here, folks. They missed EPS, so adjusted EPS came in at 402 versus 410. That missed again, like I said. Sales $63.72 billion versus $63.13 billion expected. So mixed bag earnings there. Looks like U.S. same-store sales up 8.3%. E-commerce same-store sales up 21%. Pretty good there, guys. Let's see. Anything on guidance? Not seeing anything here on if I can talk today, not seeing any. I almost said that with a lisp, guys. I don't have a lisp, if you haven't noticed that yet. But let's see. Baird adjusts price target on Costco to 1,100 from 1,075. Keeps outperform rating. All these have a buy rating, outperform rating, buy rating. Yeah, I'm not buying it here for a long term. But for a swing trade, honestly, it looks decent. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But I'm liking the way Costco's looking on the charts. Valuation, not too hot about it. And the last stock on the list here, guys, is Big Bear AI. BBAI is the ticker. And man, this thing has collapsed. This thing is down 22% today. And it's at $3 when it was at $10 just a couple of weeks ago, guys. So it is destruction here for the stock. We have a death cross. We're under both moving averages. We tried maintaining the trend. We failed, and it's just getting worse. So Big Bear AI, they reported GAAP EPS. They lost 43 cents, which missed the loss of 5 cents expected. So they lost way more money, guys, on a GAAP basis. That's really bad. And sales, oh my gosh, 43.8 mil versus 54.48 million expected. So they missed sales by $11 million, guys. That is not a good look at all, And did they give 2025 outlook? They see 25 revenue of 160 to 180 million. Okay, not bad. I don't know what the analysts were expecting, but either way, the stock is collapsing. And for me, I'm kind of avoiding it here. I was looking at it on the dip here, but the fact that now we're breaking trend, we have a death cross, we're just way under these moving averages with no signs of a reversal. It's a falling knife. I'm just staying away from it for now, but if it's able to show some sort of reversal, that story can change. That story could change. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think overall? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And before you click off this video, guys, join the free email list. Number one, that is linked down below. And number two, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY, guys. It's a no-brainer, I'm telling you. So use that link down below. You have a couple more weeks to do it. Clock's ticking. Or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.